Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to the channel here. We're going over Tuesday's recap here. It's April 13th, Tuesday, and time is flying, but the market's not flying. And I feel like, we're on this continuous kind of slowdown, just this stuck in the mud kind of a week that has continued from last week. So anyways, we'll still do the recap for you guys, and just like I do every single day. So let's dive into it. I had two trades. The first one was literally break even, or practically, and second one was a decent one, but that's all I traded today. So I traded VTVT. That was the stock that I was trading today. I was looking at a few other ones. MF, NC was another one. And what else was on top? NVCR, I think, was the other one. And this one we can see NVCR had a nice run on pre-market, just in it, faded and consolidated all day long. Had a bit of a drop there, and yeah, it consolidated and really didn't go anywhere. So, yeah, I didn't see much action, not worth it for me to trade it really, in my opinion. And MFNC was it was a gapper as well, pre-market, and there was a nice move here, but the thing was, it opened at such a high number already, or price, opened in the 19s and just kind of did that all day long, all just sideways. There was a nice run up, but it was hard timed, I guess, because, we had a nice run up and then it completely reversed and went all the way down to where it was at before that. And then another curl up. So it's kind of hard to judge on that one. So anyways, I didn't make any trades on that. But yeah, the only one I traded today was VTVT. And I'm up 69 bucks on it. So let's show you where I traded it today. To be honest, because of the way the market has felt, I think this is important. I like VTVT. I think it's a good stock. I've traded this a ton in the past. And if you go at the yearly chart here, you can tell it's had a lot of nice run-ups in the past, where it'll go up. A lot of the stuff isn't sustained very long, but it does have older periods of times where you can see it just does really nice run-ups. So anyways, this one to me, I've traded since I traded it in the past. I knew it was the stock I wanted to trade, but because of the current market conditions and everything feeling pretty sluggish, I just I sat on the sidelines for a lot of it, a lot of the moves today, and I did get in two trades. So let me show you the first. The first one is at 11.53. I bought in at 3.57. Let's see, 11.53. Yeah, right in here. And what I was looking at here was, it made this kind of move up, and it wasn't anything fast and furious. It was just kind of a nice gradual move up. So I wasn't really interested, and then it dipped once it hit its highs, consolidated, and then it had this. Once I saw this nice big green candle here, it really pushed through. I was kind of looking for the next leg here. So I got in, like I said, what was it, 357, and then sold for 359. Very fast trade. But there wasn't, the whole point there was to get in and maybe look for the next leg higher. And we didn't. We got a push and it just dropped and it went sideways. So it didn't, I could tell there was some hesitation here to break on past the highs of 363. So anyways, in and out real quickly, no profit. And it was like 59 cents profit. And then I just waited for it. and eventually I hopped back into it and I got bought in at 359 and then ended up selling for 363, and that was at 12 o'clock. Yeah, so right on this candle. And yeah, we had a nice little pop through, and I figure, you know, we might have a chance to do that. So I just was, once again, in and out very quickly, and $69 profit right there. So that was it for me for the rest of the day, pretty much. Because of the rest of, I don't know, it faded from there, then went back up. Things were kind of sluggish, and I did have some other things to do today. So I had to leave the office and run out and go do those things. And honestly, I think I just felt okay to walk away. There's a lot of times when the market might be hot, and I just hate leaving because, you know, you might be missing some big opportunities. Some stock might come ripping through the ceiling. But today I just didn't, it was so slow. I didn't really mind leaving because it didn't feel like there was much action. Now I know, you know, to be honest, things can really turn on a dime and change quickly. But today was not the day. So, you know, it's just a matter of waiting. I think we'll have the market turnaround at some point, and love to hear from you guys. Love to find out what you traded today and how you felt the markets were today, whether you thought they were pretty decent for trading or pretty sluggish. That's what I thought. So let's take a real quick recap at the month so far. This month has been pretty horrible, pretty slow. And I am still holding ACY, which is, I'm just looking to eventually get out of that position, but I just don't want to sell at this point. So that's one of the bag holds that I have. But other than that, this is where I'm sitting as far as my realized profit loss on this calendar here. And look at this. First day of the month was awesome on Thursday. $1,700. Super great. And since then, it's just really been poo-poo. So last week I was down 187 total, and this week I'm up 167 so far, 98 yesterday, and 69 today. So hopefully, yeah, things turn around. But I just wanted to do this recap for you guys. Try to do them every single day for you when I'm trading. And anyways, that's where I sit today. So I think that's really all I got for you. I'd love to hear from you. Love to find out if you've traded VTVT today too. Let me know if you traded it a ton or if you traded it a little bit. And I also want to hear from you guys, is finding out if you're red on the day or green on the day, just from you other traders out there. So that's it for now. And guess what? We'll see you Wednesday tomorrow. And hoping for a turnaround in the market here. Hoping for some hot days. That would be great. But if it's not, hey, we just gotta keep the patience going and be able to ride through. So that's what it is, and we'll catch you tomorrow.